I'm trying to think of some other questions that came up during our live broadcast. There was a lot of questions about kind of the theoretical stop loss that we use. Just keep in mind, and I think I clarified that a little bit better this go around, but just keep in mind, we're not closing these out at a percentage of max profit. We're closing them when they reach 1 day to expiration. And then from a stop loss standpoint, we're not putting it in as a hard stop loss in our platform. We're just looking at what that stop exit level would be from a loss standpoint. If we get to that point, we're bailing. And a lot of times I'll bail on these trades and then put another one on right away. Or sometimes I'll wait to the next day. It just depends on where I'm at with everything. But there's no right or wrong way to do it. It just depends on your specific situation. So I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions, make sure you post those in the community at community.navigationtrading.com. If you want to check out the eDelta Pro backtester, like I said, you can go to our site, navigationtrading.com, click on products, and you can kind of see what the pre-negotiated deal that we have with eDelta is. They continue to update that software. I've gotten to know the developers, and we've gotten some things changed pretty quickly. So they are very nimble and ready to accommodate. So it's a great software, really easy to use. You should at least check it out. Cancel anytime. You can try it for a while, and if you don't need it, just cancel, but definitely worth trying out. That's all I can think of. If you all have any other questions, again, post them in the community, and we look forward to watching you profit from this strategy. Have a great year of trading. Talk to you soon.